Hey guys, welcome back to Beamer PhD. I'm your host Tim, and today we are doing some diagnosis on our loaner car. And we're doing a little bit of training with our new apprentice Josh. So, what seems to be the issue on this 200,000 mile E60, which is an 06 530, is periodically the battery drains. So, before we loan this car out, what we want to do is make sure that it is in safe, reliable, and efficient condition. So we went ahead and performed a short test, which means that we've connected up our diagnostic computer and scanned all of the control modules, and it told us that we've got an issue with terminal 87. So after we looked in a wiring diagram and understood what terminal 87 is, it controls various different components. One of them being the ignition coil system, the second one being the auxiliary water pump, which is the second electric pump, the third one being the relay to the fuel pump system, and I don't remember what the fourth one was. However, we go down with process of elimination and observe to see what we see in our diagnosis, or what we see in our testing, I should say. So follow along. What we've done here is remove the beauty cover, and we observed our coils, and what we found was cylinder 1 coil had been replaced. Not only had it been replaced, but if you notice here, it has a chunk missing out of it. So that made me wonder why that is. Let me show you. This is cylinder 1, and what you see in cylinder 1 on the wall here is that it is coming apart. It's formed a hole in it. So what I did is I used a metal screwdriver to scratch at it to see, is it the material that has come off? And it is not the material that has come off. It's actually creating electrolysis of this cover. And the reason for that is this cover is magnesium. So now we look at the next cylinder, number 2, and it is exhibiting a little bit of that same condition. And then we go to number 3, and when I pulled the coil out from number 3, I noticed the same thing as what I seen at cylinder 1. Take a closer look. This is what it looked like before I touched cylinder 1. So, the reason I made this video is this is the difference between a technician that is trained and knows what to look for and understands how the circuit works versus somebody who's just throwing parts at the car to make a few dollars. And that is the reason I made this video. We are going to get to the bottom of this car, probably on another video, but the takeaway from this is, please make sure that the person working on your body or on your car, and I say on your body because this is very similar to your medical condition, right? You don't want a rookie doctor who's untrained and unexperienced working on your physical body, and the same goes as you don't want somebody that's untrained working on your car. This is why here at Beamer PhD, we take the time not only to make sure that we're hiring certified technicians that have already passed ASC certification, but do in-house training live, not on your car, but on our internal cars, so that we can have real-world experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.